Hello everyone, Ronin here with another video. We're going to find out what is inside a Louis Vuitton Speedy bag and generally most of Louis Vuitton bags and why it's so expensive. We've got Speedy bag like this and I start to open stitches here all around and take it in and out. But you see there is canvas covered by polyester here. This canvas lasts for many years. This is not some PVC that you can find, or fox leather, what you call it. This is not the quality that you can find everywhere. It's been made with Louis Vuitton with special formula, so it is soft and it lasts for years. And as you can see, this bag is very old, maybe 20 or 30 years old, and still there is no crack on it. Some cracks here, and this is because of zipper and being so tough and folding many times. But here you can see still quality is good. Here we have zip inside, and also this handles, this edges of the zipper are Vachetta, Western leather, cowhide. It's very good quality, and it is in beige cream color when it is new. During time when you use it and it touches the air, becomes slowly brown color, honey, brown, whiskey, different tan colors. And inside the bag you don't see any lining, so this canvas is the same canvas we call it, and it is covered by this polyester. And accessories, studs like this. You can see Louis Vuitton, and original Louis Vuittons always. There's Louis Vuitton letters there, and the quality you can see is very clear, and it's a solid brass. And also these rings here, solid brass, but in some Louis Vuittons they don't use, it's not like common for all the Louis Vuittons solid brass. Some are different material. Also the zipper is brass, and you can see the logo here, and also Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France here. What you can find in authentic bags, it's very neat stitched. You can see 1 2 3 4 here, 1 2 3 4, and they are same size, and you never can find imperfection in such bags. As you can see here, you can see stitches, very neat, very equal, very nicely. This quality of stitching, and one of the reasons we pay a lot, not only for the brand's name, but for the quality of the craftsmanship. And if there is some studs in your bag, the studs shouldn't be screw back. studs are with the two like legs, so they go through the hole and you open them like this, and then you tap by hammer to fix them, and it's not possible to spin the legs or studs in Louis Vuitton or many other designer bag. As I said, stitchings are very neat, equal, and very clean. Even this gap here between stitching and the edge, all should be equal. They check in Louis Vuitton factory, they have special shablons they put on here and check all edges. They should have same distance. Stitching here, this one is very old. A better one. Yeah, here you can see 5 stitches there, 5 stitches here, and going over the edge 2 times, both sides. All are same. You can't see any imperfection. And this bag is very old. You may see something like not very clean or something like that, but in new bags you can never see any problem. Also, one of the authenticity things in Louis Vuitton bag is this canvas is one piece in Speedy bag, goes around, so backside is upside down. There's no cut underneath, and you start from here and you finish, start with this mark, you finish with the same mark down there. Here you can see it's very equal in both sides. And 1, 2, 3, 4 Louis Vuitton. As you can see, it's very much neat, and they arrange where to cut the canvas to have very nice equal shape in left and right side. Also, you can see the stitches if you can find authenticity of your bag. Yeah, there are some marks that you can notice. Different places they put authenticity numbers, like this one, and the edge stitches they use piping, and inside they cover this edges, which you can see here is naked like this, but they cover it later by this trim and stitches, and they stitch it again. So you can find here, this in the mid is vachetta and 2 layer canvas, which is this one, piping or piping, whatever you call it. Nothing special, but very expensive. I don't know, I personally don't give this much money to such bags, because I do make my bags with full leather and brass accessories. Maybe you like it, you like the brand, you like the name, and it gives you some confidence, but anyway, it's all up to you. If you want to spend your money on such products, it's all up to you. Thanks for watching. Any questions you can comment below, and we can have conversation also. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe Ronin in YouTube, and also Ronin London in Instagram, so we can have a chat. You can see my other projects and also other products. Thanks for watching. Bye.